How to enable dark mode on DeepSeek app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek app and log into your account. Click on two lines located on top left corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on two lines located on top left, then click on your profile located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Below app, you will find color scheme. Click on color scheme, and in here you'll find dark mode option. Make sure black dot is in dark and then click on done. As you can see, you have enabled dark mode on DeepSeek. This is how to enable dark mode on DeepSeek app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.